Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to go to connections, and the first thing that you should check is make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. If it's enabled, then of course the Wi-Fi will not turn on. So disable airplane mode, and the next thing that you can do is make sure that Wi-Fi over here is enabled. So if it's disabled, make sure to turn it on. And then go inside and make sure that you are of course connected to any of these networks. If you are still having troubles with Wi-Fi, then the last thing that you can do is scroll all the way down, go to general management, and then over here go to reset, and finally here you will find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. If you go over here, press reset settings button in order to reset everything, and then try connecting to your Wi-Fi network again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.